All of you FJ Cruiser owners that have roof leaks, I dropped my headliner because I got fed up with the constant dripping in my A-pillar. I originally thought it was coming in from the roof rack bolt holes, and I didn't drop the entire headliner, only the front driver's corner, and shot as much silicone up into this area as I could because I saw the drip was running from here. What it turns out is it was the seam between the two pieces of metal, the roof, and the actual frame support. And you can see the bead of rust that runs along the entire edge. It runs about 6 to 8 inches past the second set of bolt holes for the roof racks. Now, I also found on my passenger side, right where that support is, there's a gap there as well, and you can see where the markings are. I plan on sealing the passenger side as well, all the way back to about the same point. Coming up to the outside, you can see where the bolt holes are. Now, where that first crack is right about there. And you can kind of see where the two pieces of metal have separated. But that outer edge runs all the way up. And you can see again here where whatever weather stripping they used is kind of worn down. All in through there. So that's allowing water to come in between the two pieces of metal along the full edge. So I've removed all the roof rack. I'm going to clean it all out, put a thin bead of silicone on the inside and a thin bead on the silicone on the outside. Now you can see where I've run the bead of silicone all the way down the drip rail. All the way to the front edge, down past both roof racks, down to the end. Now I'll go inside and clean out the rust and silicone that as well. Now here's a retaining clip for the roof rack. Clean that off, and there are the bolt holes. I'll silicone around both sets of bolt holes, pop this piece in, then silicone around it again, just to make sure I have a good solid watertight seal. Here's a quick shot with the piece seated. Then I'll also take another quick little bead and run around the top of those rings to make sure that they seal up properly when the bolts go in.